we made it. As you can see, I have Carl doing all the work. I was like, I'm just gonna grab the camera and talk to my friends. That's you guys. I feel like I'm hanging out with you right now on the couch. Like, what's up? I wish I had a drink to cheers, but first things first, let's get unhooked. Let's get Dexter inside because he is missing his dinner time. We got here a little bit later than expected, but hey, that's RV life. Nothing ever goes as expected. If you are new to our channel or if you've been around for a bit and you're not sure how to watch all of our content from start to finish, well, I'm gonna tell you. If you go to playlists, go to our YouTube page and click playlists. We have a specific playlist that is titled Watch From Beginning, and it has every episode in order. So you could do this on your TV, you could do it on your phone or a computer. Binge some Happily Ever Hanks content, and I think you're gonna, you know, get your fair share of some evening entertainment.
Nay's inside making some final preparations. You know, the fancy phone calls that she doesn't allow Carl to do. She's making some final phone calls in preparation for this upcoming rally, because I know a lot of you guys are out there and it's like, it's a rally, what gives? Come on, Carl and Nene. We'll take you along and we'll show you all the cool intricacies of what's all involved. The vibes are coming good. They're coming strong. Tonight, we're doing like a little pre-game thing. I mean, the rally hasn't even started, but we're all meeting up at the hot tub tonight and we're just gonna hang out. So, taking you guys along with, get your swim trunks ready. Get them on. We want you here. Yeah, I'm being serious. Goodness, when am I ever joking? Nene, get off the phone. So what is Talona Ridge like?
Can I just stop you right there? We thought about it because it's really hard to pin #1 on something, but this is #1 for us. Like for resorts around the country. Yeah,
we're going there.
Nothing tops it. I'm just saying.
No, really, nothing tops it. And we kind of hate spilling the beans, but you know, we can never keep anything a secret from y'all.
All the people, especially our original crew members, start to plan like unofficial hangouts, like hot tub nights, campfires. We're doing a pumpkin carving tomorrow night. So like,
sounds pretty official to me.
Technically it's a week-long event. The location, you can't beat it. You are surrounded, what's that called? Panoramic views of all of the mountains.
The Georgia mountains.
You're at the start of the Appalachian Mountains.
Well, why haven't I heard of this place? Well, because it's like brand new. And the word has not got out yet, but we're telling you about it.
Yeah, we're telling
you. So keep it a secret.
We like to let you know the deets, you know.
Always letting you know the deets. Let's go get in the hot tub. Well, we got quite the hill to walk up here.
As long as we don't go over this speed limit, we'll be okay.
Work it, girl. Work it.
Fast. Slow down.
I'll see you up there. Something else. She is something else.
Nice and toasty.
Ooh, it's nice. All the other peeps are here. Get out here, guys. We want you here. In a non-creepy way.
It's time to eat. Rally kickoff has happened.
Everyone's getting pumped, and we just want you guys all here with us. So we don't want to forget about you. Everyone already said to tell me to tell you. They said hello. So I know that was a long rabbit hole to follow, but nonetheless, go back and rewind that if you didn't catch it the first time. If you did catch it the first time, though, follow me. We got some good food on the table. Take your time. Working out the kinks, huh?
You guys are our first rally since we've been a finished product. So.
It's a cold, crisp morning.
It says 37 and it feels like 37.
It's fall, y'all. And we're gonna go have some coffee with our peeps up at the event hall. I think people are just slowly getting into the groove here. as the weekend goes by, people become more and more comfortable with one another. A lot of side conversations going on, and you'll see by the end of this weekend that everybody will be having their their main peeps to hang out with. Numbers will be exchanged, and lifelong friendships are in the process. It's all about the process. These crisp mornings are awesome though. Being up here in LJ is wonderful. The actual trees are starting to change. The colors, the leaves, everything is starting to change, so it looks really amazing.
We're gonna see as we walk up this hill if anyone picks us up and gives us a ride.
Most likely they'll just be like, we feel sorry for them.
That really did startle me. That was good. So we're doing something at a rally called Tours and Treats. It's like a play on Trick or Treats. Everyone gets to show their rig. Everyone's touring, and then while they tour, the people showing their rig get to give out treats. We're going to shenanay away all the bad things that could happen to everyone's rigs. I'm gonna do like a magical spell. So
what is shenanay?
Shenanay was the name of my email address back in high school, Carl.
And you're gonna wish it away with some PEX tubing.
Yeah, so
let's go see some people. Let's go see this PEX tubing. Let's go see how well this works.
Ah!
Get out of the road!
Hey, shenanay away. I didn't plan the right outfit, but we're gonna go with it. I had a couple that had an issue with their motorhome, so we can't shenanay away their RV, but we're gonna still do some magical spells for them.
Oh, nice.
Oh, here we go.
She's a beaut.
Look at that. What pressures do you run your tires at, by the way?
They're on 2 Legos.
Oh, nice. It's everything an RVer could ever want.
Good job.
Yes, nice job.
On to the next.
Hey, get back here.
Oh my gosh.
Mr. Wonka, I've always dreamed of this.
It's Wilhelmina.
Wilhelmina. Did you bring the golden ticket, Nay?
We'll give it to him later. Yeah.
yeah. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This chocolate factory is off the chains.
The best thing about the floors is they heat up.
What? You could just wish this was yours. She's like, please make this come true, Carl.
This is to ward away any future problems. This is shenanay away.
Shenanay away.
It's a PEX tubing, so it's fitting. Get it?
Yep.
He's like, yep. How was the tour? A Newmar. I can't even afford to look at it. I'm just like, it smells so good in here.
Wow, it smells so good in here. Wow. Shenanay away. Okay, we're good.
I think we are good. Okay, let's get out of here now.
Well, I do your epidural spinal.
That's right. You got her back. I got it. Nurse anesthetist in the house.
I don't remember trick-or-treating as a kid, it being like this. But it's definitely better. Here we go.
You putting spells on us, or?
You never know. I put a spell on you. I know different color fireplaces.
Yeah, you can change the color of the flame and the rise.
Okay. Yeah, just rub it in. Rub it in. You're like, I'm sorry. It's okay. We're moving in.
This is okay. Wait,
Thank you.
I thought you guys know that who signed up. That's a rig for sale. You're listed for sale.
Do it to the AC, because the AC, you know how those go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Shenanay away.
Oh my goodness. So good. She's not gonna know how to work the wand anymore. The power of the wand.
I'm like, after a while.
I love it. Honestly, I think we need to get some e-bikes one day. Nay doesn't want the bike, she wants scooter. Actually, her life goal, her ambitions in life is to rollerblade and park people at their RV sites. I'm like, honey, you keep striving for greatness. Keep that up. Keep that up.